This is A-Team Adventures. I'm Allie.
And I'm Alex.
We're traveling across America in our van. Join us as we explore hidden gems, national parks, and more. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. This week we're exploring the Grand Canyon. Welcome to one of the most stunning natural wonders on Earth, the Grand Canyon. Today we're embarking on an unforgettable journey to Point Imperial for a spectacular sunrise, followed by a scenic drive to Cape Royale. Point Imperial is the highest viewpoint on the North Rim, standing at an impressive 8,803 feet. It offers a unique perspective of the canyon, showcasing the vibrant colors on the rock formations as the sun rises. This was my first time to the Grand Canyon, and it was truly beautiful to see it at sunrise. As the sun peaks over the horizon, the canyon comes alive with color. Did you know the Grand Canyon is about 277 miles long and up to 18 miles wide? It's a staggering 1 mile deep in some places. The layers of rock you see are over 2 billion years old, telling the story of Earth's geological history. The vibrant hues are a result of different minerals in the rock, creating a palette that changes with the light. The rock formations here are a testament to millions of years of geological history. From the vibrant reds and oranges of the Navajo sandstone to the deep blues and grays of the Kaibab limestone, each layer tells a story of ancient seas, deserts, and volcanic activity. Point Imperial is special because you can see rock layers that are not visible at other viewpoints in the park. Point Imperial isn't just about the views. It's a gateway to adventure. With hiking trails that wind through the forest and offer stunning views and overlooks, you can immerse yourselves in the beauty of the landscape. Keep an eye out for wildlife too. This area is home to mule deer, elk, and a variety of bird species. After taking in the views of the sunrise, we headed out on a drive to Cape Royale. The drive is nothing short of spectacular. As you wind through the North Rim, you'll be treated to panoramic views that will leave you in awe. Keep your camera ready. Every turn reveals a new masterpiece of nature. We stopped at pretty much every viewpoint on the way out to Cape Royale. The North Rim is far less crowded than the South Rim, making it a perfect escape for those seeking tranquility amidst nature's grandeur. The North Rim only gets about 1/10 of the visitors that the South Rim gets. It's easy to find yourself in the park, taking in the views all by yourself, which is not the norm at most national parks around the country. The North Rim is also, on average, about 1,000 feet higher than the South Rim, which also makes it about 10 degrees cooler, which is a great escape from the Arizona desert. Next, we stopped at the Walhalla Overlook, another splendid view filled with history. From here, you can see the Echo Cliffs and the Painted Desert in the distance. The Little Colorado River Gorge can also be seen to the southeast. In the canyon below, you are in the Unkar Delta and the Colorado River, home to multiple archaeological sites and a significant location for the native people previously living in the area. The drainages in the immediate vicinity below the overlook all feed to the Uncar Creek, which drains into the Colorado River. Across the road here, you can take a short walk to the Walhalla Glades Pueblo, ancestral Pueblonian dwelling that is about 1,000 years old. Here we get our first glimpse of the beautiful Angel's Window. This natural rock arch offers a unique perspective of the canyon below. As you stand on the edge, you can see the Colorado River winding its way through the depths of the canyon. It's a perfect spot for that Instagram-worthy shot. The hike to Angel's Window is about a mile round trip, and it's suitable for most skill levels. The trail is well marked, and you'll be surrounded by the serene beauty of the forest. You may notice the railing above the arch, and that's because you can actually walk out onto Angel's Window. Once you reach the arch, take a moment to soak in the view. The colors of the canyon change with the light, creating a mesmerizing display that's truly unforgettable. Now let's head over to Cape Royale. This viewpoint is one of the highest points on the North Rim, offering panoramic views that stretch for miles. On a clear day, you can see the South Rim. The hike to Cape Royale is a bit longer, about 1.5 miles round trip, but it's an easy walk on a paved path. Along the way, you'll encounter stunning overlooks and interpretive signs that share the history and geology of this incredible area. At Cape Royale, you'll be treated to breathtaking vistas of the canyon with its layered rock formations and vibrant colors. Don't forget to look for the iconic formations like the Vishnu Temple and the distant South Rim. I think this was the most beautiful view on the North Rim of the Grand Canyon. The day we were there was very clear, and you could even see the San Francisco peaks in the distance, over by Flagstaff. On the drive back from Cape Royale, we spotted this handsome fox trotting along in the forest. We made a quick stop by the visitor center, but Bright Angel Point is actually closed for the season, so we weren't able to do that hike. We soaked in the views as best we could before heading out back on the road. If you liked this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to see our adventures as we travel across America.